Hey guys, it looks like everything is going as planned. I'm sick right now, but I'm still on the battlefield giving you videos because it's every day until the moon comes out and we're finally there. So we called the dump, which is pretty much what's happening now. And I'm going to talk about what I think will happen in September, October, and November. Let's talk about it. It's time to talk about it. And this goes for all cryptocurrencies, right? In general, not just for Bitcoin. You guys ready? It looks like our US will be the leader. From Crypto Rover, it's coming true. Guys, September is now here. In the past, this month has been very bad for Bitcoin. So history asks the same main question again. Everyone wants to know, finally, we can see that in September, it's generally more red than green. Okay, now everyone knows I saw that. The real question for me is whether this will happen again at some point. September has more red than green, but October and November are very green. Guys, take a look at that. Even maybe sometimes in December, that means Q4 will be terrible and most people will be eager to get there. That means September is a good month for Bitcoin. Well, history does repeat itself. This is the daily return for Bitcoin. It's clear that XRP will also go down if Bitcoin does. Guys, Ethereum will too. All of your S coins and meme coins will go away too. Every other coin will also pump if this one does. The average gain for the month of September is about minus 5%. October plus 2/6. Then in November, guys, 39% said they would vote. Okay, will you check that out? But hold on, don't say that yet. If you're a bear right now, get ready, because your time is coming. Not yet. This is because there may be something different going on underneath. Based on what has happened in the past, everyone thinks that September will be a bad month for crypto. As some people say, the 40,000 Bitcoin that is about to expire will also be destroyed. Not me, but wait, tell me if I'm wrong, but this bull run is very different from the recently seen ones. But who called first? I put this up on my second channel in November 2023. Okay. I really said that Bitcoin is likely to set a new all-time high before the split happens. Then it will drop because the Federal Reserve cut interest rates, right? It might want to put things off for another month, but there was a small change because rates are going down this month, right? We're likely to pump right now because some experts say the month will get off to a rough start. After that, the market will finally start to go up, which will set the stage for a crazy fourth quarter. Now, though, it all depends on this chart, all right? This chart is very important. So tell me about one of your best analysts. No one else has this chart but us on this channel, so that's what we're calling it. Please give this video a thumbs up. That's really helpful, especially when I'm sick, guys. You guys are still getting movies from me. Thanks, that was the last time we were in this area, right? Support, or I guess you could say pushback and support right now. Take a look at how I haven't changed any lines, okay? I would tell you that if you stay above this level, it's likely to go up. If this is the USDT dominance chart, it must mean that cryptos will drop, right? Because a lot of people are moving their money from Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to the safe coin. So alphas of cryptocurrencies into stable coins. This line basically looks like guys now. That means we're above that line. The next point of resistance is, what do you think? Are you likely to be the bottom guys or the higher low? Another 6% or so is pretty stupid for Bitcoin, right? But guys, here's my plan. Is that going to happen? Doesn't that sound good? I'm not sure. But here is what I want. I just put this up yesterday, guys. Please look at this. I think we go up that way, right? Once you reach the top, the pub will start later. In September, right? In the next few weeks. Because of what we could believe, that would be like a dream come true if it did happen. Our last chance to buy something. Hey, take a look at that. This can't be made up, right? You guys should know that I'm not just making things up. This is what I really think. Why? If this line looks like this, guys, and if it pumps like this, guys, there is a negative divergence going on from this point to that point. Okay, on a daily, 2-day, 3 to 4 to 5 day, and so on, guys. It looks like the stablecoin charts may have reached their peak. In other words, things are going to get very good for cryptocurrencies soon. So this is pretty much my last chance to buy, right? I'm not getting more. There will be no more purchases of XRP from me if disabled coin goes down like this. That will be the last time I buy XRP. That's all I have to say about it, guys. And this forecast might come true because September 5th is coming up quickly. Are you ready for one more? It looks like the 5th day of every month is always bearish. It started with July 5th and now we have August 5th. The next possible date is September 5th, which is also the bottom of the picture. I think we'll go down there, right? Maybe 54,000 if Bitcoin can go like this. That would be a dream come true, right? Divergences that go up when looking at longer time frames, like the daily, there will be strong divergences if Bitcoin goes to around $54,000. That's when I'm going to buy XRP It's my last chance to do so, and I hope we fly like that unless there's a real blast coming soon and it dumps heavy or harder, which is hard to predict. So it doesn't make sense to guess that, though. I believe we're still good, right? We'll still have clear skies soon because the CPI comes out on September 11th. Okay, here is the inflation report. It's pretty much necessary for this to come in lower than expected. If it does, it's bound to go up, right? Guys, we have a few events coming up this month. Let's talk about them today. There were tests of crypto trading in Russia. Okay, so on September 6th, Udacity will report on jobs. That will be very important to keep an eye on, right? Let's go down. There will be a Bitcoin week in Seoul from September 1st to 7th. There will be talks by Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum. Unless I'm wrong, I believe Richard Tang is the CEO of Binance, Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, and a lot of other big players in the SQL system, which I think will be bullish, say that the Bank of Canada will cut its key rates again by 25 basis points to 4.25% on September 4th, and they expect to cut them even more in October and December, bringing their rates to 3.75%. That's right, guys, central banks all over the world are already cutting rates. Next up is the Federal Reserve. See this from Ash, but don't listen to me. Please like the movie for today. The stock market is almost at an all-time high, but Bitcoin is going down. To go over 58K again, Bitcoin should be around 80K to 90K. That's right, this doesn't make sense. There's a split, and right now everything should be 3 to 5x from the bottom. Okay, this is the stock market. Guys, this is Bitcoin, not the stock market. Take a look. Okay, and alts/alts, but there is a big difference. Can you see the room between them? That's right, which means one of these assets is lying. Is it the stock market or a Bitcoin? I think Bitcoin is lying, which is a trick for bears. The price will go back up to catch up with the stock market, set new all-time highs, and then go evil from here on out. Correct. And I believe they are currently holding back and building up before they take it all the way up to 100,000. This is because there are trends and a bullish consolidation going on right now. People say that's when this Bitcoin bull flag will appear. We are going to fly 200,000. I forgot to add that. I'm shocked at how I think I need to add this back there, guys. Truth be told, I'd rather just leave it here. Please allow me to move out. Allow me to zoom out. This is for the bigger view. That's how I know we'll catch the top for Bitcoin at some point, guys. On the USDT.dominance line, something that looks like a bullish divergence is taking shape. Allow me to explain. So whenever this reaches its peak, okay, it's okay to say that it peaks and then dumps, falls, and dies. Here you go, guys. That's most likely going to be the bottom or close to it. The reason for this is that this was the previous low. It will be a lower low from this low if Bitcoin can somehow drop to these levels, okay? Yeah, right around these levels. But these signs show that it will be like this, guys. That's how it will be with a bigger low made, which is a positive divergence on the US dominant charts. This means that when Bitcoins hit, say, 90,000 to 120,000, I do not know how much it costs. Everybody will be shopping and shopping and shopping. There's no way I'll be in the markets at all. When I see bullish divergence on the weekly, 2, 3 week, and monthly charts, I might as well stay out of the markets altogether. In the same way, when the US chart is all the way down here around these levels, guys, I just want to put it out there because I think we are. This is so funny. I believe we've already called the big guys, right? But only if everything goes as planned and all the stars line up. So the monthly candles are over for all assets. The good news for Bitcoin is that August is the 7th month in a row that it has finished above its all-time high of 21 bullish. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're holding support, right? Support is now where pushback used to be. We need to fly right now. It will get weaker and weaker until it dies if we don't.